Hey vibes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooklyn. This is Vibe with Brooklyn. And on this channel, we get into a ton of Fenty beauty, Fenty skin, hauls and reviews, health tips, and so much more. So if you like any of that stuff, be sure to hit the subscribe button and join the Vibe squad. Okay, so today we're hopping straight into it. I have been absolutely loving this product. It just came out this week, so it is a new one to the Fenty skin collection, and it is this right here. Melt Off Jelly Oil Cleanser, makeup removing. Let me read it straight. Our names are so long. So it's the Melt Off Jelly Oil Makeup Melting Cleanser, and it literally does all of those things. It is here to melt that makeup off. So this type of product obviously isn't new to the skincare community. There are a few others that I have used in the past, but I will say that right now I am really loving the Fenty skin one. And this is not a bias because I literally work for them. It's just like this product is really that bomb. So I'm going to use this Morphe palette right now. I'm gonna pick a eyeshadow color and put it on my hand and then like show you how it melts off in that way. I'm putting the blue on my hands. The blue is kind of not that dark. I want to give you guys the scoop, the tea, and the skinny on this. So this right now is $34. It has a mess-free pump, so you literally like can push this down and the product will dispense. It's a lightweight oil. It rinses quickly and easily, leaves no residue behind. It hydrates and it's gentle to use on your face, lips, and eyes. And I can definitely attest to that. All of those things are true. And I have found that with some others, it leaves that like, you wash your face with this gel and it leaves like that tackiness on your skin after, and I cannot stand that. This does not do that at all. This is the pump, so you dispense it. I'll use my right hand. And it's long nail friendly because, as you guys know, my nails are always slayed to the gods, honey. This is what it looks like. You could honestly use way less than this on your face. So you just like start putting it on, and as you can see, like instantly it's already starting to melt away the product. So this on your face, you would do just this exact same thing. I'm not going to use water for the sake of like, I'm not in my bathroom right now, but you being in your bathroom, you could rinse it off with water and then it would wipe away. I'm just going to use a regular towel, which works as well, whatever your preference is. So the eyeshadow is completely spread all over my hands. I mean, this is like not rocket science. It already looks like it's leaving my skin. Just grabbing like a towel to show you that once you wipe it all away. So no traces of that eyeshadow. It's all wiped away on this napkin here. And I want you to see how hydrated my hand looks after. Like, you guys, my skin, so I have dry skin. So anything that's like making my skin look drier is just gonna like literally piss me off. So the fact that like even on my hand, you guys can see this hydration, it feels the exact same way on the face. There's no stickiness, there's no tackiness. This is so lightweight and gentle. It will really get off your eye makeup, the mascara, the liner, everything. Like, it is so important in my skincare regimen to use things that are fully getting the makeup off, because one, who wants pimples? I don't. Two, I find sometimes that toners are a little too harsh, but something like this is actually really gentle for my skin. So I use this, I wipe it all away, and then I go into my cleanser. So I do a double cleanse, okay? Double cleanse is the key to success in my opinion. If you have problem skin, if you have, I mean, honestly, any type of skin, like double cleansing really ensures that you're getting in all the gunk that is on your skin off. Just cleansing alone doesn't do the trick. Speaking of the bottle, it is a 3.38 fluid ounce bottle. The ingredients in here are melon, sunflower, castor oil, there's rosemary, bergamot, orange, grapefruit, and there's shea butter. And I believe the shea butter is like hands down why my skin is like responding and having that softness to it. Yeah, y'all, get your hands on this. It is available now. I'll leave the link to this down in the description box so y'all can pick it up. Yeah, with that being said, that's like all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy your week coming up, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for the continued support, and I will catch you guys in my next vibe video. Bye.